Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahjanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. I am taking SS. Today I am taking 7th Standard SS, chapter number 4, Rajput Age. Today, beta, you will be taken your SS textbook because some circumference in this lesson, the one page is missing and some pictures also not showing in this chapter. So you will be take your SS textbook also with you. Okay, beta. Uh, this lesson have to belong to the Rajput age. Is the story will be a belong after the Harshvardhana death. This story will be a this Rajput age have to be distributed into the two sections, North India and South India. The two section Rajputanas have to be distributed of this lesson. Okay. Parimal was watching a TV and historical serials. One child was seeing the story in the serials. Okay, he has an idea because in this bit here the palace picture was missing. Okay, so you will be take your textbook and see the picture on your textbook. The palace are there. So Parimal is seeing the history channel or otherwise history serial. He was thought in his idea why they are built these palaces and why they are making a lots of things on that times. Okay, so he was lots of questions coming in his mind, so he will be consult with his grandfather. Okay, grandfather, give me an answer why their kings are making these things and what happened on that time, how they will be built, because on that times lots of difficulties are following because the machineries are not there, so why they are built and how they are built. So grandfather given to teach him similar questions. Okay, the grandfather told two few things what is a discussed long, what the questions he was said to grandfather given the some answers to him. Such the constructed by the king ancient times became across so many palaces are there. Okay, some ones are converted into the reigns and some are now present also. It's good conditions. Lots of whenever we have to see in the Rajasthan, lots of monuments or others ways constructed forts or other present now also. Welfare of the peoples, they will be making the wells, chapels, they are the situated. Okay, so there is a difference between the construction of the structures. So present times we kind of the work done earlier age. Okay, beta. Some difference are the period during the particular structure was a constructed monuments constructed during the Rajput age. Now today, even today also we see the Rajput are making lots of forts and the other things. Okay, that is about on that era. Era means the time of that period. Okay, let us know about the main Indian dynasty of that time. Rise of the new dynasties. Okay, now it's a new dynasties after the death of the empire Harshvardhana, the middle of the 17. I was the previous lesson I was given the teach about the Harshvardhan in the 16 to 17. The Harshvardhana empire was there. Later on, the another empires also started, especially the Solanki dynasty and Waghela dynasty, and lots of are there. Okay, later on the another lesson, the whole detail will be a come step by step. Here is a given the Raj about the Rajput, only the two parts of the Rajput have to divided in the North India and the South India. I will show you the map. It's an Indian map. Okay, it's an India map, but that time the map is in the two part, North India and South India. In the both place will be a different Rajput are situated, and they held the administration of them. Okay, so that is the present name of the various. We here is given the lots of names. If you have to be see the different names are there. That means Kannauj, Prayag, Banaras, Pal, Gurjar, Pratharia, Tapi, Kushetra. Chera and the Pandya states are there. Now the present their name will be a difference. Okay, that means Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is talking about this state, but the previous in the Rajput timings, they are sequentially in the independence, and the names are the Kannauj. Did you hear the name of Kannauj again and again? I will show the Kannauj in the map. Oh shit. I will show you Kannauj. Kannauj is here, okay? Kannauj. Now is present in the Bihar, okay? So these cities are those situated under the dynasty of Chawda, Solanki and Waghela dynasty on that time will be a was there a taking the administration running of them, okay? Now, beta, page number 17, and directly in this textbook given the page number 19, so 18 is left. So I will start page number 18 from my reader. Okay, beta. Who is the feudal lord of a landlord? Feudal lord or landlord means kya hai? What the means of the feudal lord and landlord? The vast empire was divided into the different province of the three parts. Okay, beta. This is have to be a three parts that will be a divided. The person who's collected the renewable particular of the revenues of the called landlord. Uh, um, uh, they have to be a kingdom. Okay, the some peoples are living in the different part. So those who are the collected from the renewals, that is called a landlord, otherwise a feudal lord. That time the India is the vast country. Our country is a vast. On that time also it's too much vast, so not possible the kingdoms and the administration have to be handled the whole our place. So they will be divided into the three part. He kept the rest of with him, and which is a maintain the army. The army will be a maintain means somewhere the peoples will be living there. They will be a send army whenever the king want to need the help on that time. Okay, the landlord become a powerful on the feudalisms came into the existence on that time. The landlord will be taken the more powers because they have to be collected the some things for the king renewals. Okay, but many dynasty came into the existence. The main dynasty rule of the North India. I was told on that time the country have to distribute into two parts. North India, where the Gujar, Prathara, Pal, Chalakya, Parmar and the Chauhan dynasty are established on the north part. Okay, among those of the South India will be a Pallava, Ukshastra, Kalyani, Chalukya, Chir, Pandya, and the Chola dynasty are situated in the south part. Okay, the kingdom of the earlier Medo period were divided into two part. Two part means in the north part means upper part of India and the south part means the down part of India. Okay, beta. So let us start with about North India. We will start about the North India. After the death of Harsha, many king exchanges the throne of Kannauj. बहुत सारों ने कोशिश की कनौज पे हमला करने की. Okay, they want to be a need कि we will be sitting on the Kannauj because that is a too much powerful kingdom of that time. Okay. Among them, Yashvarma is a considered a powerful ruler. So after the death of the Harshvardhana, he was sitting of the Pratharya dynasty, established into the ruler of Kannauj. कनौज के ऊपर जिसने कब्जा किया दैट इज़ अ प्रथारिया डायनेसिटी. ओके बेटा, दे प्रोटेक्ट इंडिया फ्रॉम द अरेबियन Arabian influences. See here, the this part is right the Arab. Okay, beta. So there was because the north part is easily the Arab. From there they have to be Arab invasions are the attacked. So there was a main power for the protect the Kannauj or this part of his. Okay, beta. So so the Mihir Bhoj was also known as a Bhoj, the king of the Mir Bhoj. Okay, the people have to know to him of the Bhoj was a most powerful ruler of this dynasty. कौन सी dynasty बेटा? The Pathara dynasty. Okay बेटा, he fought many battles with the Rishaskur during the regions. We will learn about the Rishaskur later on. The another part, other lesson will be given the full detail of this about dynasty. Okay, the Parmar dynasty rulers of Malwa have a ruling is from the Parmar dynasty. Kannauj, Ujjain and the Dhara Nagari were the two main cities of the Malwa. Okay, Dhara Nagari is known as a Dhara dynasty, and Madhya Pradesh, now it's present in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, King Monj and King Bhuj of the Parmar dynasty were not only a good ruler but also good poet. They gave the patronage of the scholar in their court. Patronage means those who have the from their heart of bottom of the heart, they have to be full concentrate about their countries. Okay, beta. Raja Bhoj and King Bhoj made a Dhar Nagari the center of the study Vidya Nagari, okay, and established the universities. For the study of the Sanskrit literature, many architectures monuments were built during this time. They making the many architectures of the means of forts, palace, stepwells, lots of temples for the welfare of the peoples of that kingdom. Okay, beta. The Parmar fought many battles with the Chalukya of the south after the death of the Raja Bhoj, the king Malwa weak. When the Raja Bhoj was dead, the king Malwa was the weak on that time. Here is given the information about the Bhoj. Okay. It is said that the Raja Bhoj in 1016 to 1053 CE is suffering from the brain tumor in his early age. Okay, he was suffering from the illness of the brain tumor. Okay, in the early 10th century, he was opened on by the two brothers from the Ujjain, who sent him into the controlled coma using in the medicines called the somohini. Then they open his skull and they remove his tumor. Raja Bhoj survived his surgery and then living the healthy life. Afterwards, he will be suffering his tumor, and then he will be started his healthy life also. Okay, beta. The ruler of the Palwa dynasty. The sense Palwa dynasty sends the dynasty rule of Bihar and Bengal. Okay, that means the east side of our country. Now is the east side of our country. The ruler of the Palwa dynasty had under Palwa to their name, and so that the dynasty was known as the Palwa dynasty. With the help of we have to be given the some information of the Palwa dynasty also. Okay, beta. So many Rajput rules of the Chauhan and Chaiman dynasty rule over various part of the Rajasthan during the 17th and the 18th CE. I was told to you already, lots of monuments are situated in the Rajasthan now. It's not changing into the runs. We will be a see now also. Okay, on branch rule of the Sakambari and the place near Lake Sambhar, which is in the north of the Ajmer. Okay, north of the Ajmer. Here is the east, west, north, south. Not asking only the part of the upper part of India. Okay, but it's a it is the beginning of the 18th century. Um, Ajay Raj standed the throne of the Sakambari in the 12th century. He established the city of Ajmeru, which is later on coming in the name of Ajmer. Okay, beta. Uh, Palma dynasty was a notly achievements are there. They have to be distributed into the two parts. He had to be splendid Kalishnath temple constructed, and this is too much famous in the Kanchi. Okay, beta. He was a love of the art, literature and the art also. Now we in this lesson we will be learn about the Rajput. Many Rajput rulers are there, so I will given some knowledge about the Rajput men's and movements on that time, how they are the braves are. Okay, so Rajput were a brave and the adventurous. Rajput, they are too much brave and adventure. They felt proud in the layer down they live for the country. कि country के लिए कुछ भी करना है, जीना या मरना. Okay, they has a too much about his country. Okay, they never retreated in the battlefield. If they are win or they are lost, but they never leave the battlefield. Okay, beta. They offered distracted fight in the saffron color. When they have to be start the fight, he will be a wear the saffron color. That means embrace that शहीदों में शामिल होने के लिए he was a wear the saffron on the battlefield. They lost of the winning in the battlefield. They protect the refugees at the any cost. They were even ready to fight for truth. सच्चाई के लिए लड़ने के लिए हमेशा दे विल बी अ स्टैंड. ओके बेटा. द कैरेक्टर्स इज द वाइफ्स ऑल्सो टू मच embrace to us because they wear the for the juhar. Always the Rajputanias are ready for the juhar. What the means of the juhar? They are born alive whenever they will be thinking if the some enemies captures us, they will be ready for burn alive. Okay beta. On the pair of their husbands for their the fearlessness. उनके हस्बैंड्स को ये चीज़ से डर नहीं था कि हमारी राजपूतानी अगर किसी एनिमीज के हाथ लगी तो क्या होगा, बिकॉज दे विल रेडी फॉर बर्निंग ऑफ अलाइव. दे हैव अ टू मच गर्ड्स on that Rajputanis. Okay, beta. They gave send off their husbands, sons, brothers. Similarly, in the battlefield, okay, go and win in the battlefield. If you are not win, you are don't worry for us. We will be ready for the burning alive. Okay. In the time of emergency, they also wear the weapons and want to the battlefield to go into the fight with the enemies. They perform juhar. Okay, I was told the word of the juhar, that means they were ready for burning in alive. On the pair of their husband's case, their husband meet with the death while fighting on the battlefield. If the wives of the Rajput feared that they would be catched by the enemies, they perform juhar and to be in the with the group they will be go and die alive. Okay, beta. So it's too much guts they have for the burning alive. Okay, the rule of the Chauhan dynasty captured Delhi, the capital of the Thomar king, and established that the supremacy. Prithviraj III or Raiputra was the powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. They are the powerful rulers are there. He was unparalleled in the history of India. Many history of the folk songs have been written about the bravely on the battlefield. Folk songs means they will be approach in the battlefield for the peoples they are making on that time. Many stories also behind of this. Okay, beta. Jan Bardai is a famous poet on that time. He is written about Prithviraj Chauhan's warriors in his epic Prithviraj Raso. Okay, beta. He was wrote the lots of songs about the Prithviraj for the braving of his braving the about that king. We shall learn about the battlefield Prithviraj Chauhan and the Sabuddin Muhammad Gori later on another lesson. Okay, beta. Is all the parts given the information about the north part of India. The Gohil or the Guhils of the Mewals. uh, the Gohil and Gohils of the Mewar, okay, who were later known as the Shishodia Rajput. That is also a Rajput type of the Rajput, as was told. Solanki, Shishodia, Mewar. Lots of dynasty uh, rulers are there. Okay, beta, held the unique position in the medieval history. In his set, the uh, Bappa Rawal established his dynasty during the Rajput era. The Chedi dynasty ruled over the Badalpur, which is to the south of the river Narmada. नर्मदा से जो ऊपर का साइड है that is a सॉरी नर्मदा से नीचे वाला जो साइड है that is the south of the India. Okay, that is situated in the Madhya Pradesh. Now it is present in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, beta. It was known as the Chedi dynasty of the Kalanchipur, Kaluchiri, okay, with its capital Tripuram, present today in Tewar. In the medieval era in Gujarat, the Rajput dynasty of the Chowdas, following by the Solanki ruler over the Anilwad Pathan. Okay, Anilwad Pathan have to be coming in the second semester. Also, full detail written in the about the Anilwad Pathan. Okay, they were the many valiant ruler of the dynasty about whom we will study later on. Okay. So down from the Narmada, there will be a started the south part of the India. Okay, so we was completed north path, and afterwards south path we will be taken in the lecture 2. Okay, beta. So stay at home, be healthy, and start doing this study. Okay, goodbye, beta.